Hi, welcome back to another episode of Barrys Backyard BBQ. And on this episode, we're going to be grilling some shrimp. It's already been detailed, deveined, deshelled, everything like that. So basically, all we're going to do is put it on the grill and let it grill up. Okay, you want to just kind of start your grill up at about a medium heat. And all grills have to be kind of started on a high and then kind of kick it to medium, because again, these are already pre-cooked, so they will cook pretty fast. And I usually let them cook a little bit, and usually about 5 minutes or so, just so they start getting a little cooked all the way through, because they're not completely de-thawed. And then I'll add some butter to them, and we will be cooking with these spices today. We got Rack BBQ Rub and lemon pepper from McCormick's. Both. Alright, now that we've got some heat, it's been about 5 minutes. We got a little cup of butter. I'm just going to add it to it. Nothing special. And as you can see, I made a little tinfoil tray, just folded up the edges so that none of the juices slide off, and kind of keep everything together for you. It's nothing that I bought anywhere, it was just made at home. Alright, the butter's looking all melted. Now it's time just to stir up our shrimp a little bit, make sure we get all the butter on everything. And then, again, this is McCormick's Perfect Pinch lemon pepper seasoning. And you can just sprinkle on. And then again, I use the Rack BBQ Rub. Makes a really good, unique taste to everything. Then we'll let that cook for a little bit, and then stir it in, and we'll add a little bit more seasoning to it. And for my cocktail sauce, again, I'm going to use the Kelchners cocktail sauce. This stuff tastes really, really good on a lot of your seafoods and stuff like that, and one of my favorites. Okay, now it's time to flip it a little bit. I'll probably add some more sauce to it and seasonings. I want to just try to flip all the shrimp so that we can get an even coating of seasonings and stuff on them. And as you can see, they're cooking up nice. They're already pre-cooked, so it's not like you have to cook them a certain amount of time. I just like to cook them a little bit longer so that they can soak up a lot of the juices. With the wind today, it's not cooperating very much, so everything's blowing away. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Everything's starting to bubble. Sauce is getting a little thicker. We'll leave these on a few more minutes, and then it'll be time to taste them. Okay, everything's all finished up. Time to take a taste test. You can sure smell the shrimp. As you can see, it's all looking good. I'll just take one here. And dip it in some of the sauce. And I'm going to take a bite. Oh yeah. Okay, that was great. Let me know if you try it. Leave me a message below. Let me know how everything turned out for you. Make sure you leave me a like and a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. We will be doing more. And again, we will list all the links down below with everything that we used today. Thank you again. This is Barrys Backyard BBQ. We look forward to seeing you in another episode.